No point fucking about.
See who the fattest bastards are. He's not a fat bastard.
He's in.
I'm not sure about this one.
Nah, not sure about it either. You ain't getting that in there.
Oh, yeah.
Shame.
Sit down.
Yeah, it's a bit steamy in here, isn't it?
Look, it's the reborn of Secret Vault.
I'm gonna have to find some really cheesy music for this.
I got a torch's jam in my pocket.
I've
Can't get it
mine.
back.
There's a chips off the belt, off mine. Big tall pouch.
Oh, and it's squishing my phone in my pocket. It's not good.
Oh.
Hope we don't smash the screen.
You should see wait until you get out. I nearly went
I could
rolling
get in a
down
lot
the hill.
quicker, but I'm just trying to manage not squashing my screens. Shit like that, because I got.
Oh, well done. He's in. Made it look easy.
This holds up to 2,000 people it's designed for.
Wow.
And yeah, I'll take you around and show you all about it. There's two different types of beds here. There's 3-story beds. Some are galvanised and some are not galvanised, and you'll see the difference between the two, how much corrosion there is.
Yep.
The aluminium shines, doesn't it?
Follow me.
There you go, the urban legend.
Urban legend. Subscribe to his channel. And unsubscribe and subscribe.
As you do.
These beds, they're all up. Don't pull them all down.
No.
Yeah.
Why would somebody do something like that? It's just morons out there. Matt Winch. I'll try and keep it under 5 minutes this thing.
Once the edge, yeah.
Yeah, alright.
These are what I like us. And we were only here, what?
Or something.
Yeah, it's like
It's
sandstone, isn't it?
yeah.
Sandstone.
Yep.
They've used a hydraulic jackhammers to dig it out. I think it only took them over a year to do it.
Wow.
And these places here is like a storeroom. You see here where they used to have the wood coming out.
Yep.
And then the shelving
Yeah.
across.
Oh, yeah.
And
Go on, I'll get off the
some of them are schools.
Whoa.
And some of them are like medical wards. You know, like if anyone falls over, get your leg sorted or whatever there.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
And also they did have a naughty boys room.
Oh.
People who come here drunk and just get locked up.
All right.
But saying that sometimes they came in, get locked up on purpose because you get your own toilet and your own bed.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah,
I see.
some people play that game.
Yeah.
Pretending to be pissed.
Yeah.
Ample as it is. We need it on for bits like that. It's a bit steamy, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
So these are galvanised ones.
Yeah, these are galvanised beds.
Wow.
You see the difference.
Yeah.
Really big, isn't it?
No, keep telling you that when we were last one exploring. I'll hold yours if you hold mine.
Yeah.
This here was
Wow.
the third entrance.
All the beds been thrown
Simon
down.
just came in and you look down there, you see someone's trying digging out.
Yeah.
And you can't dig through there. But someone did get in from the other side, and it's just like an L shape that leads you to this, and obviously we can't get through. So that's what that used to be.
There's quite a lot. It's about a metre deep, isn't it? Just in concrete, I think. Isn't
Well, just a hole is.
it? It's a glory hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch.
Let's try digging through there, guys.
Yeah, that's the reinforced above. Down there on to your left.
More bed frames. Much
Just
fun
there,
bits.
to your left with the torches. And the toilets. You'll come back to them in a minute.
Wow. There's options at a distance.
Yeah, that is quite big, isn't it? Blimey.
Cool, isn't it?
That is cool, yeah. Wow.
See the wood there where you used to have the old wiring, the lights.
Yeah. So was this bit probably not secure enough, so they concreted it?
There's something above it, basically, built on top, so they have to reinforce it.
I'll reinforce
Was
it,
that
yeah.
done during the war time, or was it done later?
No, it looks fresh. At the same time,
During the last like 30 years.
Yeah.
Mm. Crazy, isn't it?
Mate, I still have more live video and I did it months ago.
Yeah.
literally.
Like I say, old
I did it on the way home from when we did the grain fall.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Mate, this was like one of the last explores I did.
Wow.
And then obviously I smashed all of them in the last like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
On my little Taffy's tour.
Yeah, yeah.
like little.
That's not.
I'm trying to keep my torch for after.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Mm-hmm.
Go, you go in front of me, dude. Sure, recording. Cool.
And these things, well, I don't know about this one, but the ones slightly bigger, you use the electric boxes, the circuit breakers and stuff like that. I'll show you some when you get further on. We change back to the sandstone, like I say.
Did they used to have doors in these?
I'm not too
Why-
sure.
why
I think
doors
they
or-
did, because if you look at the bottom there,
It looks like something might have slipped
yeah, you
in.
look at the bottom there, you've got the wood.
Yeah. Might have been just a basic door, not like a blast door or anything, but just a sort of privacy door or something.
Could be.
Like a small family in there or something. You do what I do. You forget that your lens is on one side
I know.
and you think it's in
In the middle, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Your lights.
No lights, yeah. Wow.
Exit for the Brexit.
Wow.
Someone actually put it on there, look. I think.
They're tightly packed in here, aren't they?
Mal did it.
Yeah, they are.
What's going on with my torch then? Idiot.
Matthew, your bag's open, dude.
Is it? Thanks, man.
It's alright, I don't want you losing anything
Yeah.
because it gets expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I lost 2 head torches
Wow.
and I smashed another one in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I never smashed anything in my life. I was exploring apart from a broken bone.
Bicycles round here. The
That's crazy. Down there, isn't it?
Yeah, I
Of old bike.
I don't know what I do.
Yep, more light fittings there on the floor. This is pretty big.
You'll know when we get halfway anyway. Okay.
Yep.
Can you smell that sandstone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It smells funny,
I'll lick it for a
Like you see, it comes in from the bottom there, because
Oh,
they buried the
yeah.
wire.
Yeah.
The circuit breaker's there, then it comes up here where the metal tags are,
Oh, okay.
to the lights.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh yeah. I didn't even notice that last time I come. He's a proper little brainiac, this kid, isn't
Yeah.
he? You can tell that he does electric. Because he spots them a mile off.
There's a gold wheel, like
Oh,
you're saying.
yeah. Old bike wheel.
Mm.
Oh, I wonder where
Google
that got.
magical bike ride on YouTube. Right? It's only
Magical
about
bike wheel.
47 seconds long, right? But it's so funny.
Because then the push back there now.
I
Yeah.
can't on that one.
No,
Too much
it's
weight in it.
Yeah.
We've got a bit of a pipe underneath this coming out of the floor as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the where they run the wire, like I say.
On my one.
It'll go to the edge around the corner, then up to the box.
Yeah.
I did. I did it on the video. I think that's why my video, right? It's like an hour
There's
long.
no light up there fitting.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you like it.
Yeah. Old light fitting up here, guys.
This wasn't here last time I was here. Someone started to look, someone pretty cool racing. Look.
Yeah. Little brace, isn't it?
It's an old one as
And
well.
condoms down there as well. Pack it. What have you been up to, Taffy?
It's down the end there then, guys.
Yeah.
Digging away a little bit of it,
Yeah.
not being very successful.
I'm done. Tried that another entry bit, and they've just blocked it up. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's where the stairs used to be to
Oh, okay.
come down.
I see.
It's concreted up. Cool. Load of wood on the floor.
Hmm. And broken bed bits as well, aren't
Yeah.
You see the concrete there at the bottom, there's a
Yeah.
wooden board.
Yeah.
Basically just poured it off and poured concrete in from the top floor,
they? Oh, right.
and the wood's rotting away and it just leaves you the wall now.
Yeah.
So have you ever been in anything like this then, Liam?
No, nearest I've been in is ROC post.
Yeah. So this is quite an exciting, like, first time out then, really, on a sort of like a bit of a mad underground one.
Yes.
That's
yes,
good then.
Definitely.
Oh, good stuff.
Yeah. Really good stuff. There you can see where them bits are there.
Can I have some
Nice
stairs
bits
that you'll
on there.
go up in a minute?
Actually got a well good picture with my phone as well.
Yeah, it's a good one. Alright, guys. Go check it out on Instagram. I'm sure it'll be there.
Oh.
Alex is happy.
Photo bomb.
Photo bombed.
The thing is, right, I could literally post all the pictures tonight on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
No one would actually know that I did it now.
No, they wouldn't.
No, I'm not even recording.
No, no.
What's the point? Because I've already done it.
Yeah. That's it. What's that little hole, Liam?
One of the things. Like throwing a brick in a skip.
The oven snaps off and pulled away.
Didn't we just come this way? Like a glove.
Yeah.
Oh mate, it's an Ethiopian's hula hoop.
So are you saying that that would have fed the junction box? That wasn't the stuff that was on the ceiling then? Do you think that's the feeder that was on the floor?
Yeah.
'Cause it seems to go straight into the bottom of that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it goes
And
right
it goes
way
that
along.
little pipe coming out the top
Nice
there.
little left
Yeah.
turn.
So that
Making
is definitely
a
a feeder. So yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Because they're just walking on their electric cable under like an inch or less than an inch of sand.
Health and safety back then was totally different, know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I think electric shock
Mate, it'll give you a jump start to your life, wouldn't it? Electrics for lights.
Back in the day, were they 240 back in wartime, or were they 110? I think they've always been kind of 240, haven't we?
We are, I'm sure we are.
And then they've been reduced,
Yeah.
didn't they? Yeah.
Well, in the RLC fault, we would use 12 volts, didn't they, on batteries?
Yeah. Do you know, right, I went to one the other day, funny enough, not far from where Secret Vaults live, right? And the old wires with the crocodile clips, right, go into a light, yeah, was actually still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there was old paperwork and stuff.
Well, that NAB tower, they literally had the open bare wires on the wall, so they had them screwed onto the wall. You had like live negative earth, and there was like multiple wires. They were just going along the wall. So if somebody just like leaned into them, you know, you'd just been fried. You just like lean onto them, and then they were going up through cable chutes. And it's like telegraph poles. It's the way they used to do telegraph posts.
Yeah.
They did them indoors in a bunker up the side of a wall, which happened to be metal. So it was only insulated from that wall by a piece of wood. It's a piece of wood and a wire coming up it.
Crazy that.
Crazy, yeah.
We're coming up to the stairs now. That leads up to the entrance, one of the entrances.
That's halfway then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, there's one of those pipes that's coming out of the ground. Where it would have gone in, it pops out there. Two of them. So that's probably where it goes on to another section. So it come in here, come through a box and gone down there. Oh, this bloody torch keeps buggering about. What's it doing?
Oh, wow.
Torch is messing about. Whoa! There must be loose connections in or something.
Yeah, it might be something like that.
Oh, did I send you them?
No, I need to send
No,
him mine
we-
as well.
yeah,
There's some others.
Oh, they're on my laptop. I only got home yesterday, didn't I?
Yeah.
Look at that.
We're going up.
You can do, yeah.
It doesn't go anywhere, but yeah.
This is where the power used to come in as well.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't go too far.
But I think I'll wait here 4 years. Because that's literally what you can see there, that's it.
Is right, yeah.
So you have wooden rails or things that screwed onto that, they're like a metal thing that screwed into the wood there. What's that in the ceiling? Would that have been a wooden thing for something for electric to screw into? It's weird. It's weird. They jam bits of wood up there so they can screw into the museum. Like along here, bits of wood, bits of wood, bits of wood. So they use wood like a roll plug basically. They jam a piece of wood in there and they screw into it. It's like their version of a roll plug. Goes back by the way. So what's that? Go back to the bar.
You see here?
They're probably for the handrails, are they not?
Yeah.
That used to cover the entrance.
Weird because it's cracked at that point as well.
Yeah.
Why is it cracked at that point, do you think? It's cool though. Because if you go up and you have a look, it's like the crack goes all the way down, along there, and back at the other side.
All the way around.
Bizarre. Why would it crack there? I wonder?
And I think because that's sandstone and this side's not sandstone, it's too close to the edge.
Could be subsidence.
Yeah,
I think
that's
it's
what I'm
actually pulled apart, isn't it? So it's widened. So it's like this bit's gone in that direction and that bit's gone in that direction. Do you reckon that they finished the interior of the bunker and they did this second so that the concrete hasn't joined properly, perhaps?
It could be, yeah.
Oh wow. So do you know where this comes out?
Yeah, I can't say the name.
Oh yes, but you know where it comes out?
Yeah.
Have you looked on the other side of it?
Yeah.
Seen it?
Yeah.
And is it like at street level or something?
Yeah, street level, I can show you if you want.
Oh, okay.
It won't come out. And this is where the power came in the bottom right corner there.
Right.
Oh,
You can still see the wire there, believe it or not.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah. Goodness. And are these breathers?
Right,
They're not
Yeah.
breathers, or are they?
There is a freezer on the other side of that, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is where the emergency service like bricked it up from the outside, like you see, not random from the inside.
So it used to be you could get into like a small section of this and then they blocked
No,
it.
that's just the emergency. And the emergency people come in,
Right.
block it up,
Yeah.
and they come in and block it up.
Yeah, that's right. But this is more modern, obviously,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yeah.
And like you see here, there's another like glass door as well.
Mm-hmm.
Just a take up over here.
Oh, yeah. Was that at an angle then, that blast door?
Yeah.
So you had to open it and it would fall closed?
Yeah, it's like that one that was on an angle as well.
Oh, I see. I didn't realise that. I thought it was a straight up one. I see. So it's almost like the old-fashioned things you get in like in American houses. The
Cellar doors.
The cellar doors.
Yeah.
They're sort of angled, so they pull closed when you drop them. You drop them and they are.
Strange,
It's bizarre. I never expected to see an angled door or something like that.
Look.
But they couldn't afford
Springs
springs
going down
or
there,
hydraulic door closing mechanism.
So it's like two doors there.
So they are glass doors?
Yeah. Now I see what you're doing, yeah. I thought the door was on this crack, you know, I thought the door was going to be coming down the crack, but no, I see now. It's actually where that white line
And
is.
across there,
Yeah.
and then up the inside.
Oh,
And you've got the metal brackets there as well.
Yeah. God. So it must have probably weighed quite a bit then, because to open that door would have weighed a lot. Metal door. So yeah.
Yeah, I think it would have made a load.
Yes.
Definitely.
There used to be rails down the little banister as well, all the way down.
Banister,
White
yeah.
lines with the old glass doors used to be doing. That's this side as well.
The roof there, I think was great.
Yeah. Anything else plants can find a way through areas like this.
They always find a way, don't they?
Yeah. Like in that Bristol bunker, you know, the one that's got the water, it's a little bit flooded at the bottom. And the amount of plants that are growing in there, you know, sort of roots that are trying to find their way into the bunker, they give up then, they sort of come down and they go, any food? And they're like, no. And they
Mate,
just
it was
stop.
like that place that we did when we had to go down that 100-foot ladder with those grow tents.
That's right, yeah.
That was crazy. Like, I was like walking around now, just like, Oh my god, I was like, you know, because you just don't expect it to be like 100 foot.
No.
Do you know what I mean? And then it was
Crazy.
just like, must have been about 16, maybe 20 tents. And they were just all slashed, weren't they? And it was mushroom farm and stuff like that. That was a pretty cool place that you showed me on my little tour. So thank you.
That's all right, and we are speaking to Exploring with
So,
Fatty. Exploring with Fatty. I mean Tappy.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a Christmas card as well saying it, what was it? 2 Urbex with Twatty, I mean Taffy.
Yeah.
So I might put it
They
on.
made that mistake, goodness.
I don't know.
Then we have Exploring with Jenny V.
Hiya.
Blinded her now. We've got Exploring with Aish.
Oh yeah.
We've got LK Computers, who's an up and coming Exploring with LK Computers. Or something like that. What's yours then?
It could be exploring with LK Computers, but it's just...
Exploring with LK Computers. Yeah, there you go.
Cool stuff.
Cool.
Cool beans, cool story, bro. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
these were all up. Oh,
Yeah, I remember seeing them all up on the video.
A place like this and just push everything over. It just don't make no sense.
it's something that an imbecile would do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bex.
Do you know, I actually feel good because I can actually look now without go looking through my
Yeah,
camera
yeah.
and actually absorb it.
Take it in more, kind of.
Yeah.
Oh right, yeah. They call them L sands.
It's just a little thing here, Liam.
Please respect these places.
Yeah, please don't cause more rust by using your urine as an acid agent. Yeah. Oh yeah, and we go all the way to the end. So it's different for you now seeing these because you've obviously got the Luton bunkers that you
Yeah.
took me to,
Yeah.
and they're all sort of like concrete, really, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
All the way. It's interesting to see. This is all like this is like caveman. See,
Yeah.
London they made it in concrete, and up north there's more sort of like Neanderthal
Caveman, yeah.
dinosaurs. Yeah, they probably got. In fact, if you look,
We didn't learn how to talk. We just like
saw a picture.
bash. When it was just like. And that's all they just do. It's crazy, isn't it?
These were probably created by some sort of
No,
like
for monkeys, mate.
sort of like sandworm that ate its way through here, and they just like flattened them. Yeah, like,
Start chewing its way through like
Yeah.
clunk.
We see some old eggs, from the prehistoric eggs from the sandworm now.
Any more than 2 strokes, it's classed as something else. There's more than eggs than you
There's a bit down the end there, guys, as well. All this, all these built in here, it's crazy. All these beds going all the way along. It's absolutely nuts, guys.
I should have put my helmet on.
More rocky.
Silver spine.
So like this sort of, is it clay stone? I don't know. Sandstone. No, this stuff. Oh, that's just clay. No, that's clay. That's clay. I wonder what it was. Because that's the difference. See, this stuff is the sandstone,
Yeah.
but that's clay.
Yeah.
The difference.
Yeah, so that's clay. I just wanted to know if it was clay or if it was a hard rock.
Yeah, just pull a massive rock out, throw it on your back and just carry it out.
Yeah. 'Cause some of the bits like this, they look like they're not.
You're not really filling me much confidence picking at a ceiling here.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, yeah.
I'm just throwing it out at you. Like.
Okay, yeah. It's all good.
Yeah. Do you know what I've just thought as well? Literally just 2 minutes before I got here.
Condoms?
No, don't use them. Go bareback in it. No, I'm joking. I actually did buy some kind of helmet though.
Oh dear.
I actually did buy
So
a
I
proper
wasn't
helmet.
far wrong then, was I?
No, but
Was it a rubber helmet?
nah, mate. This one right stops an AK-47 and a sniper, mate.
It was a cervical cap in your case.
Yeah, no. I just went to an Army and Navy stores and actually bought a military issued helmet.
There we go.
So there you go, guys.
There we are. So no getting Taffy pregnant then.
Can't anyway. I have 5 blanks.
Oh dear.
I'm not too sure where that falls on the map.
Do you know what this is? This is. Have you seen Harry Potter? 1 3/4 and they go and they just jump straight through it. That's what that is. You go to another destination.
9 3/4 stuff is not 1 3/4.
Oh, train station 1 3/4.
On the map, it doesn't really show where it goes. It just shows it like blocked off like this. But I reckon it could have been an extra entrance. Because there
Could
was
well
a
be.
school above at one point. You see a few of them like that as well.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's a service
Like
tunnel
blocked
to the
up in
school
it.
then.
Possibly.
Could be.
Go on, right, you go before me because you're recording.
There's another blocked up entrance.
Mate, I actually love your boots.
I know,
And
they're
I'm
right.
not actually taking the piss.
No, they're right there.
Mate, they're pretty cool, man.
They're really warm. They've got all the fur inside as well. 30 quid.
Do you know what you need to do?
Hmm?
You need to message Lucy and go, look, I've got some
Yeah,
Lucifer.
Lucifer.
Look, I've got some Lucifer.
There's another toilet there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm not taking a poo in that one.
And you got the toilet seat there to it as well.
Oh, cool.
I didn't know that's what it actually was, you know, right until I went round the corner.
Oh, right, yeah.
And the toilets. With a bit of a wall going on.
This could be what, like we're saying, when the cells organise cells to a couple of people.
Yeah.
Because you get 3 bunks there, wouldn't you, and 3 toilets there.
I don't know, that one toilet probably in a cell, wouldn't it? They just make them share.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Yeah, I guess so.
Makes you wonder why that there though, we went it for the warden, you see. Because like I say, you've got the top block down here.
That's the toilet bit then, guys, all the cells. And they've been naughty. And you can see all that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And then more beds here. Step over. There you got lots of different beds, and then we've got another old light fit in there, guys. All the beds and stuff. All these beds have been smashed down, fallen down. So someone's obviously been in here and done this. They would be sitting up, so obviously like this. And then people would sleep on top of it. Urban legend said that there was about 2,000 people that could stay in here, so it's absolutely crazy. Think how many people are down here. We've done a couple of bunkers now, and this is yet another different bunker. Where it is with the sand and the clay underneath, and little compartments where they stick with the beds. It's really nuts.
I'm one of my subscribers called TJ Explores, so go check
We
it
have
out.
another section down there that looks quite long. We're going to go around there in a minute. The urban legend's giving us a tour, so following them. All these beds falling down again,
So I
guys.
bought a 3-light whilst I was out, and then the same day she
Over
gave me
here where the
this
toilets probably would have been.
Yeah.
Go down there, you first left.
one. Anyone got any spray paint? I'm joking. I can't spell my own name, but still, don't worry about it. I'd get halfway through and go,
Oh, look, there's just been some concrete at the roof here, on the ceiling. Got all the wooden beams, probably would have put some lights and stuff in there. Again, all these beds have been smashed down, so someone's obviously been in here. Oh, what's this bit then?
it's a hidey hole this.
Hidey hole. Hidey hole! I got you in the hidey hole.
I'll take you in the worst toilets first, and the other one's a bit off.
Oh okay.
More stuff in.
Oh, excuse me.
It's making me full.
Oh, it's quite spacious toilets, aren't they?
Yeah, that's probably a disabled one, mate.
Yeah, probably. No, this one's a little smaller. Definitely a lot smaller. Look, what about the old light fittings again?
Go to your right.
Small little cubicles for each one to go toilet. Interesting.
Yeah. There's one of the toilet lists.
Yeah, there was in quite a lot of RSC posts, didn't they? Those sort of L's and things.
Right here.
In this one.
Yeah, this is the old toilets. They are in better condition, these.
Right, okay.
time I came.
Yeah. Oh yeah, lids. Lids.
Oh, yeah, you can actually see these ones.
You can actually see the doors as well,
Cool.
and the old handles.
Oh, wow.
So they would, if you wanted to change those toilets when they were fairly low at the bottom, because if you let those get up, they'd be very hard to lift. You'd have to tip them out into something else, because you'd no way you'd lift those
Yeah,
walls
too
those out.
heavy.
No, it would be too heavy.
Heavy.
Yeah, it says toilets.
See what's
This one's actually got the lid attached to that one.
Chemical bleach in each one of them, you know, to sort of stop it from stinking, because in camping toilets and things like that, you put a bit of this special bleach stuff in there, it stops it stinking.
Yeah.
Because these are going to reek, aren't they? Because the smell of evaporating.
I believe it's
It's not a toilet, but this one ain't got a lid.
Yeah. So every 24 hours. As long as the seat lid on everything attached.
Another one with a seat attached. I'm just trying to go toilet in there, guys, that you can still see some. Wonder how only old that is. Doesn't
Last
smell
week
it.
when I was here. When your shit's on fire, you need a log.
Yeah.
Push it through. That's it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Got wood there, mate.
Many years ago, they used to be, before it got sealed. Last time,
Yeah.
about 8 years ago, I think it was, 5 to 8 years ago.
Oh yeah.
Because it would have been quite a good temperature to live in, because it's 13 degrees all year round.
Look at that.
Therefore, it would be freezing.
This place is massive.
You see these beds here that are next to you?
Yeah.
These have been moved
Right.
since the last time I was
See
here.
you last year. Looks like someone's been sleeping in there.
Yeah, they were there. Look, on this old magazine and
Look.
there.
Newspaper bits, yeah.
We're not having free accommodations living in a tunnel.
And basically, start where we say we
All these beds have been smashed down as well, guys.
side. That down there leads back to down there, do a right and left is the beginning start.
This is getting misty down here as well, we're getting near the entrance. That's all the humidity.
Yeah, it is quite misty, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be.
Yeah, so we're back under the entrance.
Sorry, dude, I keep going in front of
That's
her,
all
but I
right,
know
mate.
because I'm not recording, I'm not concentrating.
That's alright.
It's a cool place, though.
It is a really cool place, yeah. It's definitely different to what we've seen.
Happens behind it.
Yeah, but do you remember the first two that we did the other week?
Hit the door for some reason.
And then this one, this is what I was saying, it's a little bit more ruined than
Yeah,
the others.
than the
We
others.
went to like the best,
Yeah.
didn't we? Then we went to an all-night
All right
one.
one.
Now this one's just a garbage,
Yeah.
considering.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not.
It's not, no. I know what you mean from what we've seen.
Like I
Joe,
say, just
compared
past
to
that
what
wall
we've seen,
down
yeah,
there, it dug down for about 3 feet or something.
Right.
Don't know why.
This is what's in this little weird room.
Matt, don't lose your torch in that one, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Might not be able to rescue it this time.
Yeah, but it doesn't go down, does it?
I don't think
Does a
I'll
bit,
even
yeah.
swap
Oh, it
my
does,
lights
does it?
in that.
Yeah.
Oh, not a hell of a lot. There's a toilet lid in there, somebody's managed to throw a toilet
That
lid.
way, that's the way we came basically.
Okay.
Lead you back to the toilets.
Yeah, the viewers at home are going to get a preview of what I am here to see. There's a body, you know, on the floor.
Right, Liam Kelly checking out the hole. Any good in there, mate?
No, goes that way.
Oh, does it? Yeah, alright, yeah. Not much in there, guys. There's something to show you. Good stuff. Another bricked up entrance. There must be another bit in there somewhere you can go to.
This is another store.
That guy. Awesome.
And this one, yeah. This is side is where it starts getting a bit damp, like saying. Something in there.
It's just there.
Look at this. The bed's been trashed.
Almost like a blanket covering.
Yeah, it's slopped on the surface and dried.
Mm.
Peel off the wall.
Does look quite bad, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's the blocked up end. Maybe you see all that moisture and stuff all on this wall. Crazy. Look at this guy, this weird, slimy, horrible stuff. All leaking down the walls. Careful where we walk.
And there's some
Damaged bricks everywhere.
Those stack trucks.
Yeah, like
Is it-
smoke grenades as well.
Yeah. That's probably what was still going through now.
Yeah, it could be.
Who knows?
Why would you set one
Yeah, it's
in
just-
here though? No, you
Look at the
just.
ceiling and get the way things are.
I don't know.
It's absolutely awesome.
It's a bit wet now.
Paddle that.
Yeah, a bit nasty.
Another concrete entrance.
Yeah, it's probably another blocked up bit, isn't it? From the street level or something, maybe.
Literally all just a bit muddy down here.
Yeah.
Is it all dripping on the white metal this side?
See, it's a wooden square.
It felt like on the top of it. No, really close though. But here, look. You can like felt it.
Well, some sort of recess or something.
So, could have been another entrance point, or they've blocked this part of the cave up. You can see all the water dripping up there and stuff. So they've obviously blocked it for some reason or another.
That's true.
That must be an entrance there.
I was going to say.
Oh, I've got 4G.
If you watch your head, it does get low. Like you see here, here's another glass door.
Literally, finishing the line.
And on that side.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, so yeah, we're nearly done already. EWC said these ready anyway.
And this is where they bricked up last time.
So it's in this little hole now.
Yeah, watching that. Literally, I stood there, I felt it just
Wow.
yeah, I didn't actually hit my hand. Can't take any more off, Jesus.
Jen don't have to duck, no. She's
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Just run straight through it.
Well, that's probably the first time they bricked it up.
I can stand up here, just. Oh, it looks like there's more blast doors there, might it be? That's what it's all down.
I
On the
bet you
side.
it's in the motorway back
Yeah.
there.
One more blast
Here a
doors.
bit as part of the motorway.
Yeah.
This is the back breaking bit when you got to sort of duck down.
I wouldn't mind that.
Breeze blocked, bit blocked up here, guys. So you can see where it would have been. They were writing their names along here as well.
House isn't like taking
House,
those,
man. Hey, breezed all this up for the motorway underneath us and stuff that's around. Back to these underground bunkers. It's been a really good explore. Today I'm with Urbex with Taffy, The Secret Vault, Liam Kelly, which is LK Computers, and Exploring with Geneva, and The Urban Legend UK. The Urban Legend UK has definitely helped us out with this location, so a big shout out to him. All the links in the I will leave all the links in the description down below. Please go and check them out. Everybody has got some awesome content.
Slide it and then there was CDD.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Well, thank you very much. Do you want the £25 now?
Not on
Just
camera.
PayPal
Okay,
it me.
yeah, okay.
PayPal it, mate.
Right.
Wired transactions.
Thank you, that's very good.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious, no worries.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Well,
And didn't get lost either.
No.
Yeah.
Good talk.
Thank you very much, Urban Legend UK.
Yeah. Go through the gift shop at the end, yeah?
Yeah.
What is actually through them? Do you want me to have a nose?
yeah.
Can you hold my foot so I don't break it?
No, there's just lots of spoils chucked out there, so I don't know whether it actually went anywhere at some point.
Yeah, but it looks like it's in the dark.
I don't think it does go very far, but
It goes underneath though. Ooh. Oh, not a lot though. I'm out.
giving up. Okay. Right, well,
Thank you.
I think I will put my camera away because we've got to do the TP together.
Well, do you want me to jump through first, and then you pass it to me, and
Alright, then you
I can
have
catch
one
you
more
giving
shot.
birth?
You can have one more shot at me.
Right guys, as I said, big shout out to the Urban Legend UK that helped us with this location. All the people that I'm here today with, the links will be in the description below. Please go and check them out, they've got some awesome content, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Here we go.
You're... Oh, careful.
What's that?
Just a torch.
Oh, it's a torch.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right, check.
wind that one.
Yeah, don't throw your torch this time.
It's quite tough to get out of there, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's on this slope as well.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Oh, look, he's trying it left feet first, look.
That's probably easier, isn't it?
No, because there's no package of grip on the top, see? He's thinking about it, but there he is. The man, the legend, the guy with the red flashing light on his head. It's Liam.
Liam Kelly.
Smacked into his red.
Thank you very much.
That's alright.
Well, I'll move out your way so you can jump down. And don't do what I done and fall completely.